Hello guys, today I'm going to be covering task 1 on Byte and Chiu. Task 1, it says move the cells B20 to D25 up to the correct alignment by deleting cells B19 to D19. So as you can tell on this chart, these three cells are all shift down and comments section is a little bit out of whack. Lack of a better use of words. So how will I complete this task is I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to press the control key, highlight all these three. I'm going to go to the cells, to delete area, the delete drop down arrow, and I'm going to click delete cells. It's going to ask me, the pop-up delete box is going to pop up. It's going to ask me if I want to shift cells to the left, shift cells up, the entire row, or delete the whole column. So I'm going to say delete and shift cells up. And that is how you complete task 1. And as you can tell, right over here, everything of the alignment is fixed.